What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're just doing a frontal wig install. Hair is by yours truly, shopstudio408.com. You can find all my hair, all my wigs there. And yeah, let's get right into it. So today I have my beautiful friend Courtney. Hey Courtney. She's my model. And yeah, so you guys are just gonna watch me do this install. As you can see right now, I'm putting on the bald cap. So just stay tuned. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'll pop in here and there, but yeah, go ahead and watch. And guys, I think I mentioned in maybe one of my videos that I am coming out with a lace glue line. This is lace glue from my line, so it's not labeled or anything like that yet. I'm just testing it out, and so far I like it a lot. I like it better than Ghost Bond. I've been trying Ghost Bond, and honestly, I'm not a fan. Before we get too far into this video, I want to make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It seems like you guys like these videos. For the people that are watching, you guys like these videos, so definitely go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. Listen, don't judge my girl, okay? She was in the middle of putting it on her lash, and it's gonna be fine in a second. I'm using this elastic band to go ahead and set the lace onto the glue. The elastic band, I feel like it just melts it right in. It gives you like a good tug, so I would suggest using an elastic band. Show you guys how much bio silk I use, but I use like a dime size amount. You don't want to use too much of this because it will weigh your hair down, so just use a little bit, but I do suggest using some type of serum to make sure that it looks silky and you don't have too many flyaways. So when you get to the front of your wig where the lace is, you want it to be as flat as you possibly can get it. So you'll see me go in with my Cara Care wax stick, and I'm just putting it on the roots of the parts that I'm doing, and then I'll go in with my hot comb at the highest temperature, which I think is like 410 or 450, I'm not sure, but I go in on the highest temperature and I just make sure that it's smooth and everything is flat. Look how flat. So now I'm gonna go in with my Sebastian hairspray. I'm just spraying it around her hairline. I actually really like this spray because it doesn't give like a stronghold. I do prefer the Gots to Be Volume Maniac better than the Sebastian, but Sebastian definitely works too. Going to crisp up that part. I'm going in with like a root cover up. That's not what this is called, but it's basically like a root cover up, and I'm just gonna gently spray as gently as I can, because these sprays sometimes are hard to spray gentle, so just be as gentle as you possibly can. After I go in with this spray, I am gonna go in with some concealer that you see right here, and I'm just gonna take that on or put it on a brush. I just use an angle brush, and I'm just gonna add a little bit to that part just to make it look more natural. That hairline looks so crisp, y'all. So crisp. Okay, so if you can see, there's a section right in the front where her part is, where it's like a real noticeable line. That's not the word I'm looking for, but it's very noticeable. So I'm gonna go in again with that root cover up. As you can see, I was gonna spray it on there, but like I said, it's hard to do it gentle, so I just sprayed some on my hand, which you can see here, and I'm gonna go in very gently and cover up that patch. And it's not a patch of hair missing, it's just a patch that's a little lighter than the rest. So this is where I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to speed up this video as much as I wanted to, because I want to give you guys a chance to really see me cut the lace. To me, it's not a quick part, so I want to show y'all how quick it's not. And I also want to show you guys that you should really take your time, because once the lace is cut, honey, it's cut. careful with them eyebrow razors because you do not want to slice somebody's eyebrow off trying to cut their lace. I didn't even put no makeup on her hairline yet. Another thing I wanted to mention, when you're laying your lace, you want to like put the wig on top of the glue. Like, you don't want the hairline to be behind the glue, because then when you cut your lace, you're gonna have a line of glue that you're gonna have to clean up. So the less cleanup, the better. So just try to put your wig above the lace glue and not behind. What lace? Y'all, if you are still here, I'm going to ask you again to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of content that I'm trying to get out for you guys, so just let me know in the comments what type of videos you guys want to see. What type of hairstyles you want to see. Do you want to see me do braids on videos? Just anything, let me know. I'm open to it all. Also remind you guys that you can find all my hair, all of my wigs at shopstudio408.com. You can find me on social media at shopstudio408. I'm just gonna go in with some sea breeze and I'm just gonna clean her forehead, make sure there's no grease, no oil, no glue, none of that. I'm gonna spray Sebastian around the hairline to make sure that that lace is melted. Make sure y'all are careful with these bands because this will happen, okay? Just be careful. guys, this is pretty much the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. And yeah, this is the final product, and I'll see you guys in the next video.